Woo! Hey everybody! Today is Tuesday, and Tuesday is going to be a fun day. We're headed out for some disc golf, and later today, call us crazy, but we're putting the boat in the water. That's right, it is March 26th. There's still a significant amount of ice out there on the water, but all of the river canals where there's current is completely accessible. Don't get me wrong, we're taking it slow. We're just going out there for fun, for photography today. It's not like we're ripping around going tubing or anything. But we're really looking forward to it. I think there's going to be some great scenery to be had, especially with the ice still out there a little bit. We're going to get the drone up in the air and get some really cool perspectives. All in all, it's going to be a really fun day. But before that, we're going to go stretch the legs and play some disc golf. So stay tuned.